Hello friends, in this video we will see how the second part of Tiny Explorer Binder can be beneficial for our kids. In the previous video we saw how part 1 of Tiny Explorer Binder help our kids to learn about basic concepts like shapes, colors, fruits, vegetables, etc. If you haven't seen the video, please check the description box for the link. Once the child is familiarized with the basic concepts, as a next level, they should know about how this concept can be made practical or what are their application. In this binder, the activities that we have included helps with child's language development, hand-eye coordination, fine motor skill, cognitive development, concentration, analytic skill, organizational skill, and problem solving. The new concepts that the child will learn in this binder are ocean animals, insects, emotions, months in a year, and opposites. This activity, you can tell your child about the ocean and the animals that live in the ocean and so on. This activity helps a child to familiarize about the names of the insect and bugs that they see around. Knowing about opposite will improve child's ability to describe things. It helps them to learn how to compare two different things. Kids always have trouble in expressing their emotion. By incorporating emotion words into their vocabulary, they can properly communicate to us about the emotion they are going through. By recognizing their emotion, they can learn how to manage them and express them in appropriate way. We'll see different sorting activities. Sorting is an important early math skill that helps in classification of objects. By sorting, child can understand which are the things that are alike and which are different so that they can be organized into certain groups. It also helps in developing analytic skill and problem solving. In color shape sorting activity, the child has to match the object based on both shape and color. So the child, if want to match a triangle, they can't just match it to any triangle but also consider the color to find the exact match. The child is familiarized with big and small concept. This activity will help the child to get a concrete understanding of the same. That is, when the child is given two same objects of different size, they learn to differentiate it as big and small and categorize into two groups. Once the child has learned about different vehicles through part 1 of Tiny Explorer Binder, now they can sort it based on land, water, and sky. When the child is familiarized with the shapes, it is equally important for the child to understand that a door is rectangular shape or the wheel of a car is circular shape. Next category is pattern matching and shadow matching. In this binder, we have included two sets of pattern matching activity. Pattern matching activity mainly focuses on improving the visual discrimination skill of a child. The child has to carefully analyze each pattern and find the exact match. This activity, the child learns to match the picture based on its shadow and not based on any other attributes like color or pattern. Through this activity, you can also tell the child about the beach or what all things you can see on the beach or the activities you can do when you are at the beach. Through this activity, the child learns to create a particular scenario using shapes. Initially, you can give them the background to make them familiarize how this works. Later, you can just give them the shapes and ask them to explore. This activity is a first step towards building STEM skills. This activity also helps in developing child's imagination, spatial awareness, logical thinking skill, and lots more. Here, the child not only learns to match the picture based on the pattern but also based on the size, which improves their spatial awareness skill. You can also use this cutout to teach them the concept of large, medium, and small. This activity helps a child to acquire early math skill, which is number recognition and counting.
One, two. One, two, three. Five. One, two, three, four, five. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Hope that this video was helpful. To know more about the binder or to get the copy of the binder, you can contact the number shown on the screen. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you with the next video. Until then, bye.